Hey guys, so today we're gonna go over your homework problems from last night. You had to do number 2, 4, and 6, and we told you which trig function you had to use, and Miss Daly wrote down on the left side what those letters mean, so you had all of your formulas all there for you. All you had to do was plug everything in. So looking at number 2, I have my angle of 32 degrees. I know that the side across from my angle is always called my opposite, and the side across from the right angle is always called my hypotenuse. So I'm going to start my problem with sine of 32 equals O over H. My O is 9 and my H is X. And I'm going to cross multiply just like Miss Daly did on the left side to get 9 equals X sine 32. And then I need to get X by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by sine of 32, which you can do right in your calculator. And it's not giving me anything to round to, and so we're just going to follow along with Miss Daly's lead and round everything to the nearest tenth. So in my calculator, I'm going to plug in 9 divided by sine 32. I'm going to make sure that my calculator is in degree mode. And the answer I got was 16.98, which I'm going to round up to 17.0. That's my answer for number 2. Moving on to number 4, I'm now moving to the cosine function. So again, I know the side across from my angle is my O, the side across from the right angle is the H, and the side next to my angle is going to be A. So I'm going to use cosine of 50 equals my A, which is my X, over my H, which is 32. And again, just like Miss Daly did on the left, I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 1x equals 32 cosine 50. And then I'm just going to plug that into my calculator, in which I get 20.6 as my answer. And then moving on to number 6, I have the angle of 28 degrees. So my side across from the angle is always my opposite. My side across from the right angle is always my hypotenuse, and my side next to the angle is always my adjacent. So I'm setting up my tangent of 28 equals my opposite, which is 14, over my adjacent, which is x. And again, I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 14 equals x tangent 28. I need to get x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by tangent 28. I'm going to plug in my calculator, 14 divided by tangent 28. And when I do that, I get 26.3. So those were your answers for your homework last night. So please check that over and make sure you make any corrections that are necessary.